there are so many types of lens. When the lens is developed from camera obscura to plane lens by Petzolberg, which was 16 times more light passing lens. From there the development started, and today you will find there are so many types of lens, and these so many types of lens are for different purpose. You know, for photography, when we use a lens means it supposed to give a sharp image inside the camera. But as the development take place, the lens variety comes out, and this variety used to give various types of photography, and for various type of photography we use these different type of lenses. So in different type of lens you will find simple lens. Simple lens means it's called normal lens. What is normal lens? Normal lens means in this type of lens, if you click a picture, each and everything you will find normal as you are viewing during the time of clicking a picture. Okay, but sometimes it happens you need to get a picture of huge area, a long tree, railway track, platform, queue of buses, group photographs. At that time what happens, in this type of lens, if you use to click a picture, then the picture will come. Okay, there is no issue for not coming, but the picture which will come, that also will be normal, but for getting it within your frame of the camera is little difficult. So what we do, we use a lens in the camera. It is called wide angle lens. In wide angle lens, we are able to click a picture from this distance, this much area. So we can cover this much area from this distance, or this much area from this distance, but in normal lens it is not possible. In normal lens it will come this much only, or maybe it will come this much, but it won't go beyond this. So for clicking a picture from this much area, you need to get a lens which is wide angle. Okay. Now I am coming to the next, that is telephoto lens. Sometimes you wish to take a photograph of a bird. They are playing in the nest. So you won't be able to take the picture if you do not have a lens which can cover a distance from you to the trees, branches or the nest. Is it? For that what you need? You need a lens which is called telephoto lens. Is it? So what you come to know, that there is basically 3 types of lens at least, by which you can get a picture good from any distance. Number 1, normal. The every view will come normal. From this you can cover this much distance. If you need to go for more distance from this area, you have to use a lens which is wide angle lens. But suppose you want to take this much portion, then you have to use a lens which is called telephoto lens. by which normally from a distance we are able to click a picture without disturbing the object. it reflect, that reflection take place by the help of camera and on the screen of the camera thus image form. This is camera and this is screen. Inside the camera the image form. The image form this way. The image form always opposite. If this is the object, the image form this way. So this is the light which comes on the object. This objects move through the camera inside the screen. It forms the image, and that image is inverted image. And this inverted image we take opposite and we use to see it original. But by the help of camera, if you click a picture, you won't be able to see this, because in the camera we use film. But nowadays the camera which is used, that is very advanced camera. It is digital camera. But before going for the digital camera, I would like to tell you of the history of photography, where you find so many years toil by the scientist. Very first, it comes image formation. The phenomena of image formation, the principle of light, the chemical principle, these all things take place. After that, what happens? Scientists involved in it, and as involvement take place, the development take place, we have come to the present state. So, at the very beginning, there was a pinhole camera by which people used to click their photograph. But in pinhole camera, that tiny hole which is used to allow the light, as well as it is called aperture or the focal length of tiny hole or lens, nowadays you know. In that one, this particular lens, this hole which is used for this purpose is pinhole, and there was nothing else than that. Now, after that, old meniscus has come, in which Petzobel contributed a lot. In 1840, they put at a lens which is 16 times more developed or more exposing power capacity lens than old meniscus.